Nene. Welcome back. Welcome to my hand. Hey y'all, it's Nene. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, you guys, is going to be a hair install. Now this wig is so cute. Oh my gosh. Now I already uploaded the video of me styling and coloring this. So you can check that out. I'll put it up in the car so you can go to it or whatever. But this is gonna be a install of the wig, so it's gonna be a real quick video. This hair is from HairsMarket. Of course, I'll put everything in the description bar so you can find out where and how to get it. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and go ahead and follow me on Instagram and TikTok at PinupsAndPearls for more of me. So yeah, all right, like I said, this hair is from HairsMarket. A color tutorial and everything is already up on my channel. This is a 24-inch body wave lace closure, 4x4 lace closure wig. It came in the natural brown black color. It's 150% density. I don't know what else to tell you. It had 3 combs in it, adjustable straps. What else? It was slightly pre-plucked. I did go in and pluck some more, but you'll see all that in the other video if you want to go and watch it or whatever. But I think that's it. So far, I'm loving this hair. It is super soft. Like, it just feels so good and it looks so nice, and I cannot wait to finally like install it for real. I don't have on a cap underneath. I just sprayed or tinted it with this ebon whatever, this lace tint in dark brown, and I just put it on. Now my hair is braided underneath, but it's like big braids, so if it's not laying the flattest, that's why. But yeah, so the first thing I'm gonna do is move the wig, if it's not already there, like just kind of shift it into position like where I want it, because wherever I spray it's gonna be down. All right, so I got my got to be glued. I'm gonna go ahead and clip this hair out the way. All right, so this is where I want the wig. I'm gonna take my got to be glued spray and spray this down. Woo, let's go. And then I'm gonna take my blow dryer and set it in place. I'm gonna take my elastic band and tie down the lace. So I'm gonna take my blow dryer again while this is on and just kind of set it a little bit more. Why did I turn it on? And then I'm gonna leave it on for like 5 minutes and then come back so I can cut off the rest of the lace. Let me pull this up before it be stuck. Yeah, there we go. So I'm gonna take my shears and start here, because I cannot find my what is the thing called, the eyebrow razor. See, I'm gonna have to be quiet, girl, because I can't do this and talk. Okay, so I'm gonna take my comb and a little bit of the got to be glued gel on the end of it and go around the edge of the lace. And I'm gonna do this with my blow dryer too. Let me get the blow dryer, and that's just to press down the edge, because I did it with my shears instead of my my what's some things called, I keep forgetting the name of it. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna take my blow dryer and my comb, and I'm gonna like roll the comb, like the edge of the comb down, so it'll lay that front part of the lace all the way down. know what, while I'm doing this I can feel my baby hair kind of sticking, so I might want to go ahead and try to lay those down. All right, so while this is setting, I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of refresh some of the curls a little bit, because they did, some of them kind of fell while I was messing with it or whatever. So now I'm just gonna spray my hair with this perfect purity spray from Dollar Tree. It's just like a light holding spray. Wow. And I'm gonna take off this band because I think I'm done now. I think we done. Ooh, wow. But look at that though. I mean, who am I? It's cute. So I think I'm good with everything. This is so pretty. Wow. So what I'm gonna do, because I don't want it just so fresh, because I like my hair to look like kind of, I don't want to say lived in, but like next day hair. I'm just gonna take my comb and brush through the waves. And brush and comb through the waves. What am I talking about? OMG. I mean, I don't know, this was just giving something. I just feel real cute with this. Like, I don't know. I done did a little something else now. Hold up. I love, oh my God, I am in freaking love. Oh my gosh, wow. Yeah. Now sometimes I get on here and I be playing, but this time today I done got on here and slayed. Okay. Yeah, it's nice and full. It's got body. Oh my God, I can't wait to go outside in about 6 hours because it's 4 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, real cute. I love it. I love this. Oh my God, I'm so excited. You know, I probably would like really be in love with it if I had my hair like braided down all the way, like for real, like if my mama braided it, because I mean, this is cute. I just feel like it would just be so much better. Like, I don't know, maybe not. So I did want to try on this little headband or whatever, even though I'm not gonna keep it on because I got these little braids. I got this headband from Walmart. It's like $5. And I look at it because it got pearls, you know, Pinups and Pearls, and it matched my shirt. So I was like, you know what, let's try to put this on right quick. She's cute. Oh wow. Oh wow. She's cute. She's giving princess. I don't know, something. But yeah, my hair is laid, like for real. Like, come on now, late. Yeah, I did this. I did. Oh, and I love it. All right, y'all. So here is the final look. Ah, it's so cute. Thank you again to HairsMarket for sending this over. I definitely appreciate it, and I am so in love with it on my head. Like, y'all, I just love this. I don't know, I just love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check the cards and the description bar for everything on this wig. And I think that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Like I said, follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I was gonna say Twitter. You can follow me on Twitter too, at Pinups and Pearls. I don't be on Twitter though, but at Pinups and Pearls. And that's it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Hey to my son over there.